The people of Bainbridge in the Yorkshire Dales are preparing to celebrate the switch on of a hydroelectric scheme which should deliver benefits to the village for years to come. Many of the villagers have invested in the project that's seen the installation of an Archimedes screw on the River Bain. Here's Peter Luck.
There's not a lot to generating free electricity. Just turn the wheel that lifts the gate that diverts the river into, well, a big mincer thingy, otherwise known as an Archimedes screw.
It's about 60 metres up the river. There's an entrance to a long leat channel, which is a lined way of bringing the water from higher up the river down to the generator house you can see behind us. The water then falls down through the screw, and the weight of the water bearing against the flutes on the screw forces the flutes to turn, turning a generator which is inside the powerhouse, which in turn makes the electricity that's connected to the grid.
You have to admire the simple efficiency of this scheme and its negligible environmental impact. The screw just borrows the water of the River Bain for about 100 metres, uses it to generate free electricity and then dumps it back in the river.
The Bainbridge Hydro is one of about a dozen such schemes in the country. It cost £500,000 to install and will produce 37 kilowatts an hour, enough to power about 40 houses. The electricity will be sold to the national grid, and many people in the village are investors.
The main thing that the village will benefit from any profits that we actually make out of selling electricity to the grid, from that we will be doing other schemes, other sustainable schemes, possibly some sort of solar panels into homes, possibly even just looking after our general environment.
CCTV cameras will monitor the turbine for operational and safety reasons. It's estimated there are around 8,000 other potential generation sites in the country, and the screw's expected to become quite a tourist attraction. Peter Lugg, BBC Look North, Bainbridge.